Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the XRP chart, heavily requested by some of you. So let's take a look at it. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. As you know, you can register here completely for free and you will receive daily Elliott wave updates for all of these asset classes. For example, we also cover tech stocks, but today we want to take a look at the cryptocurrencies section. So we click on it, we select Ripple, XRP pretty much, and the XRP weekly chart will be checked first. So let's take a look at this. Here you can see that XRP is just moving in this very frustrating sideways triangle. It hasn't moved in significant ways in a long time. So not even when we had so-called news pumps, they were not sustainable. All of that is very characteristic for a chart that's actually just moving in a long-term consolidation phase, in corrective patterns, news-related rallies, result in ABC structures, corrective, and so on. So yeah, at the moment our idea is this is an Elliott wave triangle, and a triangle consists of an A, B, C, D, E structure. Pretty much the idea is that it's forming higher lows and lower highs, consolidation essentially on a large time frame, which is very frustrating. So it's really only moving sideways, hasn't really rallied in a proper impulse in a long time. And each of these subwaves in a triangle is a corrective structure. So they can morph, they can change. Currently, the idea is that we are either in the late stage of a C wave of this triangle, or the C wave is already completed. We only see it with a 45% likelihood that the C wave is already completed. So with a higher likelihood, our assumption is that the C wave is still unfolding. Okay, so but probabilities are very close together. It just has to do with the situation here that this C wave is already, if it's still unfolding, in the late stages. And then we would get another D wave, which would be a lower high, and an E wave to form a higher low. So this is sort of the idea here in this triangle. The D wave, based on current assumptions, that might change a little bit, but the D wave could reach the area between $1.25 and $1.57 before then the E wave starts. And the E wave would be a higher low, and this would be considered a wave 4 correction, a long-term wave 4. And these triangles typically break out to the opposite side of the E wave. So in this case, it would be a breakout to the upside, but this is a long time. There's a lot of movements will happen before we really get a breakout, at least based on current assumptions. However, this rally from where we are now to around about $1.25 could be attractive, but it would only be a corrective rally. But this triangle, before it really completes, it can take a long time. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Yeah, and here you can see that there are key levels here around 28 cents, 95 cents. The idea is, in the preferred scenario, that we go down a little bit lower before this triangle C wave is actually completed, and then from there we can start this D wave rally. As you can see here, with a break above the sort of 95 cent range, it's all about a sustained break. So we need a sustained break above that level to really clearly shift probabilities towards the idea that we're already in the D wave. But for now, the idea is we go a little bit lower. This is not convincing yet what happened here, or what is currently happening here. And you can see that for a very long time it's only been moving sideways. So there's nothing really substantial here, but we know that XRP, when it moves, it can move very quickly. The question is it really so attractive for trading? So from an Elliott wave point of view, what we really like to see is a first impulse in one direction, then a corrective pullback. That would be a decent long trade setup. But at the moment, unfortunately, this chart is moving in corrective structures. You can see actually that over the last few months, even the last year, there wasn't really any attractive trade, at least not for anybody who's interested in trend trading, because this is just a sideways range. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then register on the website, activate the notification bell, and let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks or so you would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.